Would you believe me if I told you that chatting with strangers could earn you real money? Well, it's 100% true, and today, I'm spilling the secrets to 3 platforms that can pay you just for talking. Ready to turn your conversations into cash? Let's dive in. Welcome to Hustler's Tactics, the channel that's all about helping you discover creative ways to make money online and achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, drop a comment below, and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family so you never miss out on these money-making hacks. Now let's get right into it. The first platform I want to talk about is Premium Chat. Here, you can get paid to chat with clients, followers, and fans, all from your phone. To begin, head over to the site, enter your email, and sign up for free. Next, you'll need to choose whether you want a seller or buyer account. For a seller account, select I want to get paid to chat and sign up with your username, email, and password. Verify your phone number via SMS or WhatsApp to confirm your account. Once confirmed, complete your profile by adding your picture, social media links, and other details. After your profile is set up, you'll create a chat widget to attract clients. Set your rate per minute or flat fee, choose a category, and save it. Then, activate your widget by sharing it on your social media platforms. Once your account is live, you can set up payment methods such as PayPal, a US bank account, or Payoneer. I've included links in the description to help you set up a US bank account, PayPal, and Payoneer. The second platform is remotely for you. Start by filling out your name, email, and other details. Once approved, you'll verify your identity and complete any necessary training. This job is available worldwide, but you must be over 18 and fluent in English. Payments are made weekly through BSave, an online payment service. The third platform is Cloud Worker. To apply, fill out the necessary information. All you need is a computer, stable internet, and good language skills. This platform provides steady income, long-term employment, and the chance to grow professionally. As a chat moderator, you'll engage in text-based online chats on various social platforms. Making money by chatting with lonely people online has become a viable side hustle for anyone looking to earn extra income from the comfort of their home. With the platforms we've covered, you now have access to top-secret sites that can help you turn conversations into cash. Whether you're looking for a part-time gig or a full-time opportunity, these websites offer flexibility, steady income, and a chance to connect with people worldwide. Take the first step today and start building your online income stream. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.